Imagine living in a home where almost every tiny annoyance has already been solved. Wet umbrellas? Fixed. Tiny apartments? Optimized. Messy kitchens? Simplified. Noisy rooms? Quiet. Wasted space? Eliminated. In Japan, home design isn't just about beauty. It's about survival, efficiency, peace, and creating harmony inside limited spaces. While many homes around the world keep adding more things, Japanese homes often focus on something completely different, removing friction from daily life. And honestly, some of these ideas are so smart, you'll wonder why the rest of the world hasn't copied them yet. Today, we're exploring 17 Japanese home ideas that instantly fix everyday problems. Some are centuries old, others are ultra-modern, but every single one is practical, clever, and surprisingly, life-changing. Let's begin. Japan has long mastered the art of living well in small spaces. In crowded cities like Tokyo and Osaka, homes are often compact, yet they somehow feel calm, organized, and efficient. Why? Because Japanese design philosophy focuses on intentional living. Every object has a purpose. Every room has flexibility. Every detail tries to reduce stress and improve daily life. From hidden storage systems to bathrooms that dry clothes, Japanese homes are full of ideas that solve problems most people simply tolerate every day. So whether you live in a tiny apartment or a large house, these ideas can completely change how your home feels and functions. Here are 17 Japanese home ideas that instantly fix everyday problems. 1. The Genkan solves dirty floors. One of the smartest features in Japanese homes is something incredibly simple: the genkan. A genkan is the lowered entryway where people remove their shoes before entering the main house. At first glance, it may not seem revolutionary, but think about it. How much dirt, bacteria, mud, rainwater, and dust enters homes daily because shoes are worn indoors. The genkan completely stops that problem at the door. In many Japanese homes, the floor level changes slightly between the entrance and living space. This physical separation creates a psychological boundary too. Outside dirt stays outside. Many homes also include shoe cabinets, umbrella storage, and slippers specifically for indoor use. The result? Cleaner floors, less mopping, reduced allergens, and a calmer home environment overall. And once you get used to it, wearing shoes inside a house starts feeling strange. 2. Sliding doors. Save massive space. Traditional Japanese sliding doors, known as fusuma or shoji, are brilliant space-saving inventions. Unlike regular swinging doors, sliding doors don't need clearance space to open. That means furniture can be placed closer to walls, rooms feel bigger, and movement becomes easier. In tiny apartments, this makes an enormous difference. Shoji doors also use translucent paper that allows soft natural light to pass through while maintaining privacy. Instead of blocking light completely, they diffuse it beautifully across the room. The entire space suddenly feels brighter, softer, and more peaceful. Modern Japanese homes now use updated versions made from wood, glass, or lightweight materials. But the principle remains the same. Use space efficiently, without sacrificing comfort. 3. Deep soaking tubs turn bathing into therapy. In many countries, baths are rushed or considered optional. In Japan, bathing is treated almost like a ritual. Japanese soaking tubs, called ofuro, are typically deeper than Western bathtubs. Instead of lying down, people sit upright while immersing their entire body in hot water. And this solves multiple problems at once: stress relief, muscle recovery, better sleep, mental relaxation, even reduced heating costs during winter. Many Japanese families bathe at night specifically to reset their body and mind after long work days. Some bathrooms even keep bathwater warm automatically for the next family member. It transforms bathing from basic hygiene into a daily recovery system. Honestly, modern life could use more of that. 4. Multifunctional rooms. Eliminate wasted space. Japanese homes are masters of flexibility. One room can serve multiple purposes depending on the time of day. A living room during daytime becomes a bedroom at night. A dining space becomes a workspace. A guest room becomes a meditation area. How? Through minimal furniture and smart storage. Futons are folded and stored away each morning, instantly freeing up space. Low tables can be moved easily. Foldable furniture reduces clutter. Instead of dedicating permanent rooms to single purposes, Japanese homes adapt constantly. This idea becomes especially powerful in small apartments where every square meter matters. The lesson is simple. A room doesn't need one identity forever. 5. Bathroom drying systems fix laundry problems. One of the most genius Japanese home inventions is the bathroom drying system. In many Japanese apartments, bathrooms include built-in ventilation and heating systems designed specifically to dry clothes indoors. This instantly solves several major problems. No outdoor drying during rain. No giant drying racks in living rooms. No dependence on sunny weather. Less humidity buildup. For people living in humid climates or crowded cities, this is incredibly useful. Some systems even include deodorizing functions and temperature controls to prevent mildew. Imagine your bathroom doubling as a mini laundry drying room. That's the kind of practical innovation Japan excels at. 6. Tiny kitchens become surprisingly efficient. Japanese kitchens are often very small, yet somehow they remain incredibly functional. Why? Because everything is designed around efficiency. Vertical storage maximizes wall space. Compact appliances reduce clutter. Magnetic knife strips free up counters. Deep sinks save water and space. Multi-purpose cookware minimizes excess items. Even the arrangement follows careful logic. Frequently used items stay within arm's reach, reducing unnecessary movement while cooking. Many Japanese kitchens prove an important truth. You do not need a massive kitchen to cook well. You need a smart one. 7. Tatami rooms. Naturally, create calm. Tatami mats are traditional Japanese flooring made from woven rush grass. But they're more than just flooring. Tatami changes how people interact with space. Because the floor is soft and clean, people often sit directly on it. Rooms feel grounded, quiet, and uncluttered. Walking barefoot becomes comfortable and calming. Tatami also naturally regulates humidity and provides slight insulation. Even the smell of fresh tatami has a calming effect many people associate with peace and simplicity. In a world filled with hard surfaces, noise, and constant stimulation, tatami rooms feel almost therapeutic. 8. Hidden storage reduces visual stress. Japanese homes are experts at hiding clutter. Storage is often built into walls, under floors, beneath benches, or inside staircases. Why does this matter so much? Because visible clutter creates mental clutter too. When objects constantly occupy your visual attention, your brain stays overstimulated. Japanese interior design often prioritizes clean lines and open visual space, which makes homes feel calmer and larger than they actually are. Instead of displaying everything, many homes conceal unnecessary items entirely. And surprisingly, this can dramatically improve mood and focus. 9. Heated toilet seats fix cold mornings. Yes, we're talking about toilets. Because Japan somehow turned bathrooms into futuristic comfort zones. Many Japanese toilets include heated seats, bidets, air dryers, automatic lids, and even sound masking features for privacy. At first, people laugh about it. Then they try one, and suddenly normal toilets feel ancient. Heated seats solve one small but surprisingly unpleasant problem during cold mornings. Bidets also improve hygiene while reducing toilet paper use. Some advanced toilets even save water through efficient flushing systems. It's a perfect example of Japanese design philosophy. Even small daily discomforts deserve solutions. 10. Minimalism makes cleaning easier. Japanese minimalism isn't just aesthetic. It's practical. Fewer unnecessary items mean less dust, less cleaning, less organizing, less stress, less wasted money. Many Japanese homes intentionally avoid excessive furniture or decoration. Empty space itself is considered valuable. This creates rooms that feel breathable and peaceful. Cleaning also becomes dramatically faster because there's simply less stuff in the way. And over time, minimalism changes how people buy things too. Purchases become more intentional instead of impulsive. The home starts working for the person instead of the person constantly maintaining the home. 11. Compact furniture fixes cramped living. Japanese furniture often prioritizes flexibility and compactness. Tables fold. Beds collapse. Chairs stack. Storage hides inside benches or platforms. Some apartments even include furniture that transforms entirely depending on use. A wall becomes a desk. A couch becomes a bed. A staircase becomes storage. This adaptability allows small homes to feel surprisingly functional without becoming overcrowded. And in expensive cities where space costs a fortune, that innovation becomes essential. Japanese design proves that smarter furniture often matters more than bigger rooms. 12. Smart ventilation prevents mold and humidity. Japan's humid climate creates serious challenges for homes. So Japanese houses often include carefully planned ventilation systems. Windows are strategically placed to create airflow. Bathrooms include exhaust systems. Kitchens minimize trapped moisture. This reduces mold growth, improves air quality, and prevents that damp, musty smell common in poorly ventilated homes. Some traditional homes even use raised flooring structures to improve air circulation underneath the house. It's one of those invisible design choices people barely notice until they live without it. 13. Convenience corners save daily time. Japanese homes often organize items based on routines. Near entrances, you may find hooks for keys, shelves for bags, charging stations, and storage baskets for essentials. Everything has a designated location. This small organizational habit solves a surprisingly huge problem: wasting time searching for things. How many hours disappear every year looking for keys, chargers, wallets, or documents? Japanese organization systems reduce decision fatigue and simplify everyday routines. The goal isn't perfection, it's smooth living. 14. Sound-conscious design creates peaceful homes. Japanese culture places strong emphasis on respecting neighbors and maintaining harmony. As a result, many homes include sound-conscious design features. Soft flooring reduces footsteps. Sliding doors close quietly. Furniture placement minimizes noise transfer. Some apartments even encourage the use of slippers specifically to soften indoor sounds. In dense cities where people live close together, controlling noise becomes extremely important. And honestly, quieter homes improve mental health more than people realize. Constant noise quietly drains energy over time. Japanese design tries to reduce that invisible stress. 15. Small gardens bring nature into everyday life. Even tiny Japanese homes often include some connection to nature. A miniature courtyard, a balcony garden, indoor plants, a small stone arrangement, a bonsai tree. These small natural spaces create moments of calm within busy urban environments. Traditional Japanese design believes homes should exist in harmony with nature rather than completely separating from it. And science increasingly supports this idea. Natural elements reduce stress, improve mood, and create emotional balance. Sometimes a tiny garden can change the entire feeling of a home. 16. Dedicated slippers improve hygiene. In many Japanese homes, different slippers exist for different spaces. Indoor slippers, bathroom slippers, guest slippers. It may sound excessive initially, but it solves hygiene problems very effectively. Bathrooms especially are treated as separate sanitation zones. This system helps keep floors cleaner while reducing contamination between spaces. It also creates a subtle psychological effect. Each area of the home feels intentional and cared for. Small rituals often shape how people experience comfort. 17. The philosophy of fixes mental overload. Perhaps the most powerful Japanese home idea isn't physical at all. It's a philosophy called Ma. Ma refers to intentional empty space. Not emptiness caused by lacking things, but emptiness designed on purpose. In Japanese homes, empty areas are respected because they allow breathing room for the mind. Modern life constantly bombards people with information, noise, clutter, and stimulation. But Japanese design often embraces silence, simplicity, and pauses. A blank wall, an uncluttered room, open floor space, soft lighting. These things create psychological relief. And maybe That's the deeper lesson behind many Japanese homes. They are not designed merely to store possessions. They are designed to support peace of mind. So those were 17 Japanese home ideas that instantly fix everyday problems. And what makes them so fascinating is that most aren't expensive or overly complicated. They're thoughtful. Japan has spent generations refining how homes function in limited spaces, crowded cities, and fast-paced lifestyles. The result is a design philosophy centered around efficiency, calmness, cleanliness, and harmony. And, honestly, many of these ideas can work anywhere in the world. You don't need to live in Japan to create a quieter, cleaner, more intentional home. Sometimes the smallest changes make the biggest difference. So tell us in the comments, which Japanese home idea would you want in your house immediately? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating ideas, hidden innovations, and life-changing concepts from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.